How is the U.S. and Iran truce being tested in the Strait of Hormuz is one of the most strategic chokepoints on the planet. It connects the Persian Gulf to the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Sea. About one-fifth of all global oil shipments flow through this narrow passage every day. Because so much energy depends on it, control and security here are vital for the global economy. This makes the strait a perfect flashpoint for any tensions between the U.S. and Iran. Since the truce was signed in 2025, both sides agreed to reduce military provocations. But this May, there have been multiple reports of drone flights and naval patrols edging closer to each other's vessels. These actions risk accidental clashes. Iran has increased its missile testing nearby, while the U.S. Navy has intensified freedom of navigation operations. These moves challenge the fragile peace and put diplomatic efforts to the test. Any conflict or blockade in the Strait of Hormuz threatens to disrupt global energy markets. Oil prices could surge dramatically if shipments slow or stop. This would ripple across economies, increasing costs for consumers everywhere. The stakes are not only political but economic, making the stability of this region critical. Both Iran and the U.S. understand the heavy consequences of escalation, which keeps the truce delicately balanced. While military posturing dominates headlines, diplomats from both countries and international partners are working hard to keep dialogue open. Back-channel communications and meetings aim to clarify intentions and avoid misunderstandings. These efforts are crucial to prevent accidental conflict and maintain the truce. The situation in the Strait of Hormuz remains a high-stakes test of diplomacy and restraint. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.